John again, and I'm back here on our development site in Des Moines, Iowa. Currently, we'll be releasing one of the units next week to our first home buyer, and the next one about a month later. So development is going on smoothly, and I'll give you a tour of the inside and see where we were at there.
We'll start our tour with the flex space adjacent to the main entrance on the first floor. You can see here that could be used as an office and or small bedroom. Here you can see an example of the level of detail on the interiors of the project. Now we're on the second level kitchen, where you can see our granite countertops and backsplash as I pan around the room. Off in the distance you can see the half bath there, the pantry, and a coat closet. Here in our living room you can see our electric fireplace and our wood accent wall.
I'm now outside on our huge 18-foot deck. You can see our neighbors behind me here, and across the way here we've already started construction on our next 4-unit building. You can see it there, and behind those will be 2 additional buildings in the future being planned basically back toward that tree line behind us. Exciting stuff!
Here we're at the top of the 3rd floor landing in this very impressive space that's lit by that tall vertical window. Around the corner is the master bedroom, which also has a very high ceiling height there. As we turn around, you'll see our walk-in closet for the master bedroom. In the master bathroom, we have wall-to-wall granite, illuminated mirrors, vanities, and a built-in storage area. And here is the second bedroom, where it too has a sloping ceiling and great views of the outdoors.
I'm here at the rear of the site where the garages are directly behind me. These buildings are going to be delivered first, but you can kind of see a before and after look here. So here's the results, and here's where we came from. These are being erected currently, and framing has started. Should be take a couple months to complete, and we are ready to continue our development project.